Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us today. I've got a very short tutorial video for you today that'll cover how to add Calendly to your Wix website. So obviously you'll need your Calendly set up to do this, and you can link to your landing page, to your bookings page. If you want to sort of link anyone to any element of your Calendly calendar, you can do so inside of Wix. So I've decided to just copy the link to the landing page, the booking page for my Calendly website. So if I just show you how I did that on your Calendly, if you view your booking page for a 30-minute meeting as an example, so this is the booking page. What I'll do then is I'll take that link up there and just copy it. So right click copy, and then I can shut Calendly down. So you need to add that as an element to your Wix website, and you do that by embedding it. So if you select add element in the top left hand corner and then select embed code as the first option, and then under popular embeds, you'll see that we can embed a site. So that's what we want. We've just copied a website address, so we're going to embed it as a site. Make sure that you've got website address up here, not code selected, and that'll ask you for a HTTPS website only, which is what we've got. If you hit apply, then you can see that that has worked. The 30-minute meeting booker has appeared in that little embedded code now. So if I drag that into the main page of my website, I can then resize that accordingly by using these little draggable options here to resize it. So there's no kind of limit to what you can do with that. A lot of embeds that you add to Wix website, they kind of only have a restricted size, but this one seems that you can stretch it and make it look how you want. So that looks okay to me. If you just want to see the calendar, and obviously you can kind of see more of the page as well as down underneath it like that. So we'll just give a very, very quick preview just to have a look at what it looks like. And there you can see that I've got a 30-minute meeting booker on the home page of my website now, okay? And the user would be able to just click a slot there and select a time from that. Like I said, you can add to any stage of your Calendly calendar, just copy and paste whatever page that you're on and embed it here as a website like that. That concludes our video tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed that and found it informative. If you're looking for one-on-one tuition from a team of experts in Wix that'll be able to take you, even if you're a beginner, through the processes to build a website from scratch, or if you're an advanced user looking to solve a specific problem or rebrand or restructure your website, that's suitable for you, and that's accessible via a link in the description for this video. If you like this content and you want to see more, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any specific questions or requests for videos, please leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.